Good morning, everyone. This is your motivational muse back with a new topic, the fear of rejection. In this video, I will be talking about the fears that one faces when they are rejected. Please stay with me till the end of the video. And those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to enjoy these interesting episodes, which I'm sure will help you in real life. Yes, the fear of rejection always creates a lot of fear in an individual, and then it has repercussions in which the individual tends to become less than themselves. But that should not be the case. It actually, when you are rejected, this is a chance to become somebody who is coveted, somebody who everyone wants. So there was this mother and her son, and she was teaching him how to cook food and how to select the best vegetables for any meal. So when they were in the kitchen, she used to teach him. She said, "Son, come close and observe, so that tomorrow when you have to buy vegetables, you will know, when you grow up, you will know what to choose and what to reject." So while she was cooking, she found that there were some which were bad, some tomatoes which were bad, some brinjals which were bad, eggplants, and many vegetables like this which would be bad. She would just uh, throw them out of her back window, which had it open to a backyard, and it would fall on a dust bin pile, which would afterwards be cleared off by the cleaners. Now in this long stretch that was behind the houses, everyone used to throw their refuse. Now it has become more managed, and they have these government vehicles coming and saying kari wala aaya, kar se kachra nikal. Lekin in the olden days it wasn't like that, so they used to just throw it into the uh, back land. And after a period of time, one day this boy went at the back to find a ball of his which had gone over there, and he was surprised and amazed that within that dustbin patch he found two three plants with lovely tomatoes growing on them. And then he looked a little further, and then he saw some brinjals, and then he saw something else. So he quickly went into the house and he told his mother, "Come, come, you got to see this." And she too went out with him, and then they saw that whatever they had rejected and whatever they had thrown out, the rains came, the seeds sprouted, grew into plants, and without anyone knowing, without anyone taking note of them or taking care of them, or giving them water and nourishing them and looking after them, they had grown into full bloom plants which were providing very good vegetables. Now this is just like in life. What happens is, very often you are born into a family, and then for some reason or the other you don't get that kind of an environment in which you can flourish for some reasons. And then you feel that you are rejected, you feel that you don't have all the things. The rich people at the side of you, they have many more advantages than you, they have many more opportunities than you, and you feel that you are the rejected one of the lot, and that you cannot do what you mm, were born to do. And then you feel like you were born with a little bit of a disadvantage and they have the advantage over you. But remember that all our disadvantages can be changed into advantages. We just have to know when and where the time is of importance. The mindset is of importance. If you have the mindset of a winner, circumstances will not circumvent you. You will find a way and you will do very well in life. So remember that if anyone rejects you, if you are working in an organization and you have been rejected, and you have been, you know, someone else was taken in favor of you, don't let that get you down. Don't let that anger you and give you some resentment and um consume your thoughts with those kind of things, feelings of rejection. Just think how you can improve your strategy. That is the best time to take time and evaluate your strategy and see what will make you better than the best. And then remember As soon as the time evolves, the rain comes, a new job will come, a new time will come, and then you can prove your worth. And believe you me, the world will covet you. Just like diamonds are made after being pressurized for so many thousands of years to become that beautiful diamond. And just like gold has to be excavated from the middle of the land, and then it has to be, you know, processed till it becomes the coveted gold which we wear. You also are like that, like the diamonds and the gold which people will covet with time. So remember, when you get rejected, don't be dejected. Just go ahead and realize that this is an opportunity to grow. Thank you. Have a wonderful life.